Hello everyone, this is Petra. So in today's video I'm just going to show a little simple hack you can do using your, guess what, fork. Okay, so we're going to pleat using a fork. I saw this hack, so I'm going to try it out and see how it goes. Okay, so we are going to try it out. So the first step, I think the fork looks away from you, so it's as if you are rolling a spaghetti or spag, or you're rolling spag. Okay, so you go like this and then you roll it over, and then you see you have your pleat number 1. Okay, so I've done pleat number 1. I don't know if you can see, but I'm sure you can see. So pleat number 1 is done. Okay, so here we go. Pleat number 1. So take here, and then you roll it as if you're rolling another spaghetti or spag. Call it spaghetti in my country. I don't know what you call it. Pasta. I guess most people call it pasta too. So as we have pleat number 2.